Hello everybody. Well, yeah, you can see it's snowing out here again. I'll be dadgummit. Yeah, we're getting about, oh Lord, I don't know. It was probably a good 3-4 inches starting to pile up. This morning it was a complete whiteout and had big blizzard warnings and everything. But, so, I didn't get a whole lot done on the power line today. I've been dealing with moving this stuff back around, getting things covered back up, because yesterday, well, pretty much all week it was almost in the 50s. Yeah, spring weather. If you don't like weather in Idaho, yeah, just hang around a day, maybe half a day. Sometimes we get all 4 seasons in one day. Anyway, what I come out here for is, anybody's wondering where why drag racing is a quarter mile, and you know everything is based on the quarter mile. I'll show you. I just so happen to have an original quarter track racer. There she is. She looks a little rugged right now because she's still got her winter coat on and she's about half ready to shed it out. But anyway, that's why they're called a quarter horse, the American quarter horse. That's what they were bred for. That's actually a quarter mile racer. They were bred specifically to outrun any horse in a quarter mile. And some of them been clocked almost at 60 miles per hour. Dash for Cash, I think he still got the record. He was like 57, 56 miles per hour, somewhere in there. I actually had a colt out of him, except for his name was Cash Deposit. We called him Cash for short. Sometime I'll show you pictures of him. But anyway, if you're curious, that's why we race a quarter mile in the drags. It comes from the horses, the quarter track, quarter mile horses, the quarter horse. So even though I ain't got much for drag racing around here, I do have a quarter mile original racer, but she's pretty much retired to just eating weeds out of the backyard. So that's my little quick one. Meantime, everybody out there, keep swinging for them fences and try to avoid this white stuff while you're getting that metal hot, right? We'll catch you on the next one.